मैं एक जर्नलिस्ट हूँ. I work for television network TV18. I work for their business channel CNBC TV18 and CNBC Awaaz, and I do a couple of feature shows for these channels. So that's what I do. I'm a TV journalist. Next year in Jan, I will complete 8 years in TV18. I graduated in recession year, and all the jobs that I have got so far is applying online. Like, I knew nobody. Like, my parents were bankers and my whole family is practically bankers or engineers or, you know, those typical professions that you could be in. And I knew no one in the media industries. Like, I have applied for my jobs online. In the meantime, while I got those jobs, I have done several odd jobs, managing a booth at an exhibition, working in a production house. Of course, I used to contribute writing articles to magazines and newspapers and stuff. It's not that, you know, I give equal weightage to run as compared to work. I'm just equally passionate about both the things. So, like, to strike that balance sometimes becomes extremely tough. रनिंग की शुरुआत मेरी एक्चुअली जब आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग तब से हुई. रनिंग वॉज ईजियर एन एक्टिविटी टू परफॉर्म, टू स्टे फिट गिवन माई स्केड्यूल, वर्क स्केड्यूल. Hence I started running. I would go for a run whenever I would get time. So let's say if I'm returning home at 1:30 in the night, I would be actually running around Shivaji Park at 12 noon. तो ऐसे ही शिवाजी पार्क में एक इंसान मेरे पास आया और उसने बोला कि आप मुंबई मैराथन में क्यों नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करते. एंड आई ऑफ कोर्स डाइड इन द फर्स्ट रेस, इन द फर्स्ट रन ऑफ माई लाइफ. But it was quite an experience, and then, you know, like, one thing led to another. ऐसे करते करते now I have completed 22 full marathons and 22 ultra marathons, several half marathons, 10 kilometers, etc. But that's how it all began. Like, you know, in a marathon, for example, in a 42.195, for me, the toughest phase is the phase between the 25th and the 28th kilometer. And that happens somewhere in between. Typically, I tell myself that, you know, this shall pass. You just have to stay focused and run steady. Like, you know, stay in the place that you are in and move forward. Stay strong. Stay steady. तो मेरे हिसाब से अगर हर तरह से बेटर यू बनना है, देन ट्राई लिविंग इन द मोमेंट, ट्राई लिविंग इन द डे. ये मैं अप्लाई करती हूँ कि हर तरह से बेटर यू बनने के लिए एक आपको स्पॉन्ज की तरह होना चाहिए. टेक इट इन, लाइक, यू नो, बी दैट स्पॉन्ज. दैट्स हाउ यू कैन बिकम अ हर तरह से बेटर यू. Thank you for watching Oziva Be Better series. For more such inspiring, motivational and nutritional videos, subscribe to Oziva.